this monument and museum, we have set in stone, steel, marble, wood and glass, the tale of Kenya's triumphs as well as our tragedies. Yes, these are just materials, but at the end of the day, is that our rich history as a nation and the fundamental values that define us, that are just exhibited here, are eternal to each and every one of us. So this physical manifestation is something that should exist in the minds and the hearts, as well as the memories of every Kenyan. So on this occasion, we are reminded that history does provide invaluable lessons that give context to the present. By looking back, we are better able to look forward. We cannot march boldly into our promised golden future if we do not learn from the lessons of the past and apply them to our present. So the museum that we have commissioned today will narrate every significant event in our Kenyan history, going back many, many years. A history not told by others about us, but a history gathered by Kenyans for Kenyans. It will also be a place that will commemorate our contemporary history by highlighting our national building exploits, our sporting excellence, our social political growth, as well as our groundbreaking innovations that have cemented our place of pride in the community of nations. We are, therefore, on these grounds because there could be no better venue to host such a sacred endeavor.